OpenAI has released GPT-5, and it feels like a big step forward. I want to explain what I tried with this new system in clear, simple way. First, the speed is what surprised me most. It answers very fast, and not only for short text. It can create long, working files and do complicated jobs in seconds. I did not ask it to write small things like emails or short scripts, because almost every modern AI can do those. Instead, I chose harder tasks that used to take a team of people and several days to make. The first thing I tested was a simple 2D browser game concept. In my version, the player controls a small character who explores a maze-like city, collecting coins and avoiding moving hazards. I asked GPT-5 to create the entire game as one HTML file, complete with JavaScript and CSS, so I could open it in my browser and play right away without extra setup. So, let's make a full 2D game. First, open a new chat and click the plus button in ChatGPT to open Canvas mode. Now, I'll give ChatGPT this prompt. Create a game using this prompt. And then I'll paste the game details that I had ChatGPT write for me earlier. You'll see that in just a short time, it will create a complete, fully functional code, which we can then run and test in ChatGPT's compiler. The model delivered a full, ready-to-run project. The code came with clear comments explaining each part, from movement controls to collision detection. It had smooth character movement, basic animations, a working score counter, and obstacles that followed a set pattern. When I opened the file, everything worked as expected. I could walk the character around, collect coins, and avoid hazards. I then asked GPT-5 to add a dash move so the player could move faster for short bursts. The model updated the file in seconds, and the new ability worked perfectly. This entire process took a fraction of the time it would have taken to code it all manually. After the game, I asked GPT-5 to build an interactive course for kids about animals. I wanted bright colors, fun animations, voice instructions, and small games like drag and drop matching and short quizzes. Again, I asked for a single HTML file so I could run it without setting up a server or extra files. The model generated a playable course with clickable animal cards, short descriptions, and voice narration.
Welcome to the animal course. Use the tabs to switch between learning, games, and quizzes. Have fun. Time to match pictures to names. Drag the picture into the right box.
The narration was not perfect, but it was clear enough for a basic demo.
Short quiz. Pick the correct answer. Oops, not quite. Correct.
The course also had small reward animations when a kid answered a quiz correctly.
Correct.
The interface included keyboard navigation and large readable text, which helps kids
Correct.
and makes the course easier to use.
Listen to the sound and choose the animal that made it. Chatter. Monkey.
Next, I asked it to make a more advanced science module for high school students about the solar system. I wanted interactive planet orbits, sliders to change speed, and clickable items that give facts about each planet. GPT-5 produced a neat solar system animation that you can control. You can adjust orbit speed and planet size with sliders, and you can click a planet to see facts. There were even quiz questions to test what students learned. The module looked good and felt like something a teacher could use after a few small edits. Then I tried a whiteboard animation project. I asked for a 30-second script and a simple whiteboard animation that explains how to lose fat with a protein-based diet and exercise. Put the code as standalone HTML file so that I can run it. Making this kind of animation with code is tricky, but GPT-5 gave a clear storyboard, a timing script, and an SVG-based animation outline. It was not perfect, and some parts needed manual fixing, but the result was a nice starting point. Next, I tested how well the model works with pictures. I uploaded photos I took and asked GPT-5 to analyze this picture and tell me the exact location and incident. It gave useful information about objects in the image and possible locations. It also told me what it could not be sure about and suggested ways to verify details, such as checking XIF data or local signs. I like that the model did not pretend to know everything. I also tested its image generation to see if it could make several pictures with the same characters, keeping their look consistent. It did a good job with clothing and general shape, but small face details changed a bit between pictures. This means image consistency is improving, but you might still need to give reference images or extra instructions for exact matches. One important thing I noticed is how GPT-5 seems to use different internal tools for different tasks. It acts like a small team working together. For writing code, it picks a tool that is strong at coding. For images, it uses a different tool. This makes the model feel smarter because it chooses the right approach for the job. Alright, let's look at some more examples. For instance, I will upload one of my photos to ChatGPT and ask it to change the background, and then we'll see what kind of result we get. The result is good. In the past, we saw that ChatGPT was not very good at image editing, but GPT-5 is very different. It has brought many improvements that could bring a new revolution in the world of AI. My honest view is that GPT-5 is a major step forward. It is not perfect, and it will not replace skilled people. But it changes how fast you can move from idea to working example. If you are curious, try clear, simple prompts and ask for runnable files when possible. Use the model to make fast prototypes, and then bring people in to refine and secure the final product. I will make more videos showing step-by-step how to build games, courses, and animations with GPT-5, and I will compare it with other tools as they update. For now, this technology is exciting and useful, and we should use it carefully. So, that was today's video, in which we covered some real-life examples. I know this is not enough yet. We still need to try it more and get some unique outcomes. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any ideas, do share them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, take care and bye.